For the Manchurian balls, you will need mixed vegetables. In this, I have about half a cup of carrot, cauliflower and cabbage grated, and about half a cup of French beans finely chopped, about half a cup of chopped onions. For binding, I have about 4 to 5 tablespoons of plain flour or maida and about 4 to 5 tablespoons of corn flour, salt and pepper to taste, and about a teaspoon of green chili and garlic. You will also need oil to fry the mixed vegetable balls. So let us start making it. Into this mixing bowl, I am going to add in the mixed vegetables. Add in the onions, salt and pepper, green chili, garlic. Now mix this all well. Now the salt and the pepper is mixed really well and the vegetables have started losing some moisture. So now I'm going to add in the corn flour and plain flour. Now mix this all well and make a dough out of it. So our veggies are mixed with the flour and this is kind of dough consistency. You can see we don't want too much corn flour and plain flour into this. We want this kind of consistency. Now make some balls out of it. Size is up to you. And keep it in a plate. Add the Manchurian balls into the mediumly hot oil. These are half fried. Now I'm going to transfer them into a colander. Heat the oil again and then we are going to fry this until crisp. Add in the Manchurian balls into the oil. Now the Manchurian balls are fried, transfer them into a tissue. Our Manchurian balls are ready. Now let's prepare the sauce for it. For completing the Manchurian, you will need mixed vegetable balls, onions, spring onion greens, some vinegar. I am using chili vinegar. You can also use normal vinegar. Salt and pepper to taste. A teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of green chili, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon and half of red chili sauce and green chili sauce, a tablespoon and half of Szechuan sauce, and some oil. So let us start making it. Here I have some oil heating up in very high flame. I am going to add in the garlic and the green chili. Now add in the onions, a little bit of spring onion greens. In goes the salt, pepper, soy sauce, chili sauce, Szechuan sauce. You can add a wee bit of ketchup if you wish. Vinegar and about 2 tablespoons of water. You can see I have not added any thickener or binder such as corn flour because the taste is kind of weird like that. I am going to proceed by adding the mixed vegetable balls. Add in some spring onion greens. Serve hot.